Alright, what you got there, babe?
Madagascar.
From who? What is it? What you got there?
Happy birthday to Kai, 5 years old.
Huh?
Happy birthday to the car. Happy birthday to him. Daddy's 5. So we have all 3 birthdays to Mommy and Dad. Love Mommy and Dad.
No, it said love you, Granny, in Miami.
Yeah.
And what else? Hugs and kisses.
Oh, yeah, you should get
Me too. You like the card?
Yeah, the car did have money. Dollars. You got dollars.
How much?
Dollars.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Count again.
4.
No. Count again.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3,
Uh-huh.
4, 5.
Alright, now how old are you?
5.
Alright, look and say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say I love you.
I love you too.
Say uncle.
Uncle,
Where my money?
where's my money?
Look and tell him.
Dad, where's my money?
Say where my money, uncle.
Where's my money, Uncle?
Give him kisses. Alright. Say bye-bye.